In this question, we're asked to solve the following simultaneous equations. Now I want to use an elimination method here. So the first thing is I'm going to label each of these equations. This one I'm going to call equation A, and the second one I'm going to call equation B. Now the process is to try and get the same coefficient in front of either the x terms or the y terms. And looking at this particular set here, it's going to be easier to try and get a -2 in front of this term here, and then I can add the two equations together. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing I'm going to do is to multiply equation A by 2. So 2 multiplied by the 2x will give me 4x, and 2 times the -y is going to be -2y. And then 2 times that -1 is -2. And let's call this equation C. Now looking at equations B and C, I can see that if I add those two together, that will eliminate that y term. So let's go ahead and do that. So in equation B, I've got the 3x term here, and I'm going to add on the 4x term here. That will give me 7x. And I know that the y terms will eliminate or cancel. So we've got the +2y, and we're going to add on a -2y so that they've eliminated. And the final thing is to take the 9 and to add on -2, which will give me 7. Solving this equation will give me that x is equal to 1. Now to find the value of y, I need to substitute x equals 1 into equation B or C. So I'm going to substitute it into equation B. And when I do that, I've got 3 times the 1, so that's going to be 3, plus the 2y is equal to 9. So therefore 2y is going to be equal to 6, and therefore y is equal to 3. So the solution to the equations is when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3.